And a good Tuesday to you. I'm meteorologist Cindy Fitzgibbon. Big update from the Hurricane Center this morning. Look at the winds now with Hurricane Irma. Category 5. Winds are up to 175 miles per hour, and that is rare. In fact, this is the strongest hurricane in the Atlantic since Felix back in 2007. That also had winds of 175 miles per hour. So this is the strongest hurricane in the Atlantic in about a decade now. Last year we did have Matthew. That came up to a Category 5, you may remember, but the winds with that were 165, and the strongest, in case you're wondering, on record had 190 mile per hour winds in the Atlantic, and that was Allen back in 1980. So where is this going to go? Unfortunately, it looks like it's going to maintain this Category 5 strength as it's making its way across the northern Leeward Islands and also the U.S. and British Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. And you can see here, that takes us into about 2 o'clock on Wednesday, so tomorrow afternoon. From here, it continues this west-northwesterly track, which is going to take it by the Turks and Caicos into the Bahamas between here and Cuba, and this cone does include South Florida. The center of this forecast to be Category 4 here by Saturday night, Sunday 2 a.m. and you can see it is sitting just south here of the tip of Florida, down near the Florida Keys. And keep in mind, this track is pretty large. It does extend all the way down into Cuba as well. But from here, you look at this and it looks like it still might be going west into the Gulf. What we're expecting are the upper level steering currents to kind of pick this up and turn it toward the north. The question still remains, is that going to happen and turn it more toward the east side of Florida or turn it up into the Gulf? And you can see there is still somewhat of a spread in our computer models, but if you follow the center line here, this has a huge impact on Florida through the weekend and into early next week, because this would then be dissipating over the southeast by early next week. So we're going to watch this very closely for you, certainly in the days ahead, but folks in Florida need to have that evacuation plan ready to go. In the meantime, we've got a pretty nice warm summer-like day around here. Hazy sunshine giving way to some building afternoon clouds. Temperatures coming up into the 80s this afternoon, mid, even a few upper 80s away from the south coast and the Cape. That southwesterly wind may gust over 20 miles per hour, and it's bringing up higher humidity. The dew points are climbing into that uncomfortable range into the mid 60s, and that's where they're going to stay for the next couple of days. We have soupy air now out ahead of a frontal boundary, and this front triggering a few storms back across western New York State this morning. That front is moving so slowly that the storms are only going to inch closer to us as the day goes on. So out in the western part of the state, southern Vermont into southwest New Hampshire, that's where we could find some storms going by later this afternoon into this evening. And the Storm Prediction Center giving us a slight chance that a few of these turn severe with some damaging wind potential and also some hail being a secondary threat. But in the Boston area, you can see right on up until this evening, it stays dry. The focus of those storms off to the west through this evening, and then overnight they'll die down a little bit, but they'll be drifting eastward in the form of some downpours, maybe a rumble of thunder. And you can see we're still going to have some lingering showers around first thing tomorrow morning. Now look at the temperatures overnight, holding in the 60s to near 70. So it's going to be a real muggy night. And with that front basically stuck on top of us tomorrow, we are going to keep these periodic showers and downpours going throughout the day. In fact, even into early Thursday. Then this front gets a kick eastward and we'll start to dry things out. The potential, though, is there for some heavy rain that could lead to some localized flooding with these storms, perhaps over a couple of inches of rain with some of these storms that start to move on through. We will begin to dry things out for you on Thursday, and that is good news because the Patriots, of course, have their home opener on Thursday night, 8:30. Should be drying out at that point with temperatures in the 60s. And once we clear things out on Friday, look at the temperatures. They are trending down a bit cooler for the weekend.